Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make popsicles. Making your own frozen treats is incredibly simple and rewarding. First, choose your desired ingredients, like fresh fruit puree or a refreshing juice blend. Next, carefully fill your popsicle molds, leaving a small space at the top for expansion. Finally, insert the popsicle sticks and place them in the freezer until completely solid, which usually takes at least 4 hours. The possibilities for flavor combinations are endless. Try blending ripe strawberries with a squeeze of lime for a zesty kick. For a creamy option, mix Greek yogurt with a spoonful of jam or a few pieces of chopped fruit. You can even layer different flavors in the mold for a colorful, multi-taste experience. Don't be afraid to experiment with herbs like mint or basil. Patience is key when freezing popsicles. Ensure they are completely solid, which typically takes 4 to 6 hours, to prevent breakage. To easily remove a frozen pop, briefly run the mold under warm water for about 15 to 20 seconds. This gentle warmth helps release the popsicle without melting it too much. Once removed, you can enjoy them immediately or store them in an airtight container. Get creative with your popsicles by adding small pieces of fruit or even edible flowers before freezing for a beautiful presentation. For an extra indulgence, dip your frozen pops into melted chocolate and then sprinkle with nuts or shredded coconut. These homemade treats are perfect for any occasion. Remember to check the description for the link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.